I am Kris Gagermeier, and I am the leader for the Technical Training Center of Excellence. What I love the most about my job is just being in the people business. Specifically, our graduate training program, we bring in new talent into the organization every single year, most of them right out of colleges and universities, and we get to see those first steps they take in their career with Trane. Some of the great stories at Trane Lacrosse come from generations of families coming through this company. I myself had a father work here one summer. I'm now completing my 26th year, and I have a daughter who worked in the Lacrosse Training Innovation Center this summer. She's an engineering major and now coming to work for Trane, as it was a really exciting moment for me when she said, "That's a pretty cool company. How come you never told me more about it before?" And I said, "Why weren't you listening for the last 20 years at the dinner table?" Today is the best version of Trane and Trane Commercial that I've ever experienced in my 26-year career. We're living our best business right now. In terms of the talent we brought in the organization, in terms of how that talent works together, in terms of how we're aligned to achieve sustainability goals that we've never achieved before. To be part of all of that and to be respected for the background that I have, that's what our culture feels like today. I'm very happy to be here.